Guys, so today we're going to do something a little different. I don't know if I've shown you my G35 yet, but I'm going to show you a quick little mod that you can do to your G35. The turn signals in particular, where you can change them from blinking regular tails like this to the full LED tail light blinking, as if the brake lights were flashing on one side when you get the turn signal. But yeah, it shouldn't take very long at all, probably 10-15 minutes to install, and I'm going ahead and laid out some of the things I think we're going to need for the install real quick. We'll kind of wing it as we go. But this is the Turner's tail kit from Diode Dynamics. It's like 55-60 bucks, but supposedly it's DIY modules, and all you really need is a couple screws to mount it with. Got some just see if we can make it work, and a small drill bit to mount those screws with. Because it looks like these boxes have 2 mounting tabs on each side, so probably need 4 of them. But other than that, they look pretty plug and play, so we'll go ahead and put them in there. I've got some electrical tape to probably put around these connectors once they're in there to ensure that no dirt and bullshit gets in them, and then, you know, also to make sure that they don't fall out. Not that they should, but just kind of something I do. But got a flathead, a pick to get the screws out with, and then a little impact driver. I'm probably not going to use this thing, as I actually found this, but otherwise I would just use this bit here and kind of done that. But yeah, I'll show you a little bit while I do it, and we'll get it done. So looks like we have a couple things we got to pop off in here. We got to take off this cover. Break it. There's no clip on that side anyway, so we use that plug. Oh, there it is. Alright, so that one's off. Got some other shit we gotta put. You know what? We can just fold them down. Oh, okay. Even easier. So you can access it right here. And right here. So if you fold this down, you can access it here and here. All you got to do is remove this trim here. Just take these. You might have tabs in here. I don't have them anymore. You mount it in there. Probably leave that in there. Pop this Johnny out of here. Pop this Johnny out here. Oh, it's okay. So the side specific. That one goes in there. This one goes in. Here, like so. And then so I guess we could just mount our box here. I don't see any issue with that. Yeah, I don't think that'd be a problem. Alright, so I got the other side plugged in. I took a fine enough point of Sharpie to where I was able to mark my holes here, and I'm going to drill them out real quick, get these boxes mounted, and we should be good to see how it looks. That's now the turn signal. Looks much better. Hurting to have to use in this fucking thing, but this works, and that's truly what matters. Yep, and so there's one box mounted, and here's the other box mounted. Scarred it up a little bit, putting too big of screws in it, but yeah, you can't even see the rest of it, and that'll keep it from getting hot up here. It'll have this plastic cover going over it, but not touching it. So yeah, really easy mod. I mean, it really didn't take long. If I would have actually had the right screws, then it would have been a little bit easier, but I made it work for it nevertheless. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I hope it's helpful. Really cheap mod you can do. Makes the taillights or turn signals look, you know, years ahead of their time. If you see more of this car, let me know, and you can definitely do a little bit of a walkthrough on it, because it's not terrible. It just needs some love too. But yeah. So anyways, man, thank y'all for watching. subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, drop a comment, let me know what you want to see next, and yeah man, y'all have a good one. Peace.